Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel again, and in today's video we are going to talk about everything's shaving. So if you are someone who likes to shave their body, then stay tuned. So this video is for those boys and girls who like to shave their body and they can use it. I'm talking about Let's Shave. This is the brand, okay, and the razor which you get is look like this. So I always used to go for waxing in salons, or I used to just call urban clap at home, and used to get my body waxed for hair removal. But in lockdown, as I found that I have no option, I cannot go out, and of course you can't be with your hairy body if you don't like hair, of course. It is different for everyone, and it's everybody's choice if they want to live with hair or not. So for personally me, I wanted to get rid of those hair, so I decided to go for shaving after watching videos. And let me tell you, shaving is the best one. I am gonna remove waxing and stop waxing like from now and today, and I have stopped it completely. I'm not going to wax my body anymore because it is you know so full of pain. How can you bear so much pain? I don't know how strong we girls are. Like, we are bearing all such pain just to remove all those hair on our body. So why not to shave, guys? It is so convenient. Why not to shave? And when you have products like these which I'm talking about, shaving gets much easier. So let's talk about this product furthermore. So here you can see that you get one handle with 4 cartridge, and you also get a shaving foam if you buy this particular product, okay. You also get it in other form which I'll show you. So you can read here like Let's Shave, and it is a 6 body hair removal razor for women, 1 razor handle, 4 blades, and a shaving foam. All right. So, and the MRP is $7.99, and it's quite good. They also say that the shaving foam is paraben and sulfate free, so I'm quite sure that it would be. You can see that I had last purchased it on 18th May. That was the time before using this one. I had used this Gillette one. So this is the razor, which is quite, you can see the size of it. It's quite small, it's quite compact. You can keep it in your purse if you're traveling, and it's quite easy to carry it. And if you think that you're going to cut yourself or you're going to cut something in your purse, then don't worry, you get a box along with this head. So these kind of box you'll get, okay. These boxes are quite safe to carry, and it would cut something in your purse, or if you try to put your hand inside your purse, then you won't get a cut from it because it is safe. See, it is secured. And to open the box, just open it like this. It's closed like this, and just do it and it will be opened. Just see, this is razor sharp. This is a new one, and currently I'm using the first head. So I got 1 handle and 4 cartridge, okay. So I'll show you 3, 1, 2, 3, and this one I'm already using, okay. So 4, 5, and 6. All right, understanding? Like 4 cartridge, 1 handle, and a shaving foam. So a combo of 6, okay. This is how it makes a combo of 6. So these are the boxes and cases, which is quite cute and convenient to carry things. So let's talk further about this one. The grip is quite good. You feel like you have got a rubbery kind of grip. So this is the head and this is the handle. The head is very flexible, you can see. So when you are shaving your elbow or your joints, it will move the way you want it to move, okay. Suppose I'm going to shave my elbow, I take it like this and carry forward like this, and see, did you see that it rotated? And it is so smooth. Always shave in the opposite direction of your hair growth. Getting my point? Suppose you want to shave your hair and your hair on your hand grows downwards. If you see here, hair will be growing downwards, so you need to shave upwards. Getting my point? So this is my hair that is growing. I'm going to shave it like this, okay. See, like this. I'll do like this, okay, and it will be easy. Like, I can't tell you how much happy I am after starting to use the razors after I started shaving my body. So before using this Let's Shave razor, I used to shave by using this Gillette razors, which are, equally good. But if I compare like these two, then this one is better. This one is more better. It gives you, very smooth finish, and it also exfoliates your body. So I think this one is better. And if I have to like compare between these two, then I'll go for this one because it is small, it is compact in size. You can just, remove your handle like this, do this, and put it back. Just remove it, and you can keep it in the box, this kind of box, and you can just carry this too in your purse. And इसके साथ में ऐसा कुछ भी safety नहीं है. Okay, so I think this one is better than this. So talking about the foam, it says that Let's Shave foam protects and calms, enriched with coconut oil and menthol, and it is sulfate and paraben free, rust proof aluminum can. Okay, the bottle is rust proof, and I'll tell you, it is quite refreshing. It feels, cold and calm when you apply it. It's very smooth, very very smooth, and the texture is white foamy. I'll show you how it looks. So suppose I want to shave this part, I'll take a very small amount, something like this it will come, and then you just roll it like this, spread it. It is very much spreadable, very 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 smooth, and very 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 creamy. Okay, and like if I want to shave, then I have got my razor here. I'm just going to shave in the upward direction. Getting? I've got no hair because my arms are already shaved, but this is just a demo to show you guys. Like, it's very very convenient, guys, if you want to, shave your body. It's quite smooth, very much smooth. Nobody will say that you haven't waxed. They'll ask you, have you really shaved your body? Because it doesn't feel any difference. If you don't want to buy the shaving foam and the whole combo, if you just want one cartridge with one blade, you can go for it completely. Don't buy the shaving foam because you don't need it. You can just apply your shower gel or the soap that you use for bathing. That will do best. Like, you can buy this combo that I'm showing you. It is equally good, and you just get one handle, one cartridge with a box, and that's it. You're done. Get it and just use it normally as you do. Yes, if you've got tan, people get tan in their armpit area. So if you are like shaving on a daily basis and exfoliating your skin, the tan has to go. It will go because you're removing the dead skin there. You're removing the dead cells which has been formed on the skin. Also, you're removing exfoliating your skin. The tan has to go, then it is bound to go. So if you think that you have got some tan on your arm or your underarms or any part of your body, then I think shaving is going to help you in that thing. So it exfoliates the skin, it removes the dead skin, helps in tan removal. It is very easy to use. So now I'll explain you how to start the shaving thing. So if you have the shaving foam, use this, or you can use normal shaving, sorry, not shaving, shower gels. So this is the one which I like, and this is the one which I'm currently using. This one is from Bath and Body Works, and it is stress relief by Bath and Body Works aromatherapy. This one is also, it smells divine, guys, and this one is also very good. Or any shampoo, use this, and then use this kind of thing for scrubbing that we use, and it will spread the foam on your body. It will help in spreading the foam. After the foam spreads, go and shave your body. So this is the process. After you shave, you can go and apply moisturizer. Any moisturizer will do. I'm applying this one right now. It is again from Bath and Body Works. I love Bath and Body Works products, guys, so I'm showing you that. You can use any one that you like. It is on you. So in the end, I feel like that thank God that I started shaving. It has helped me, and it is helping me in lockdown, and I'm not going to continue waxing anymore. It is so painful and it's very like rushy. If you want to go for salon, then you have to take out extra time from your busy schedule. Here you can just add it up in your daily shower routine, and you can just go and shave your body. It will take hardly 10 minutes. Hardly 10 minutes if you want to shave both your legs and both your arms. It will take hardly 10 minutes, guys. So I'll tell you to go ahead and try this, and do write to me if you really loved it, and You can also tell me what kind of videos do you want to watch, and if you want to make me any other review video, then do let me know, guys, in the comment section below. And also, if you want to buy this thing, then I'll give you the link in the description box. From there you can check it out. And okay, then we'll wrap up with the video, guys. And give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you liked the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.